available on iTunes, Amazon, and SoundSmack.com. The very same sound effects used in countless movies, TV shows, and cartoons are now available for the first time in this brand new CD collection, Volume 1, Science Fiction Sound Effects and Ambience Tracks. Now available on iTunes, Amazon, and SoundSmack.com.